Kia ora. Today we're going to learn to greet people using Te Reo Māori. Greetings to people. Mihi ki te iwi. Mihi ki te iwi. You'll find a link to the supporting activity in the description panel below. Greeting one person. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe. This is a formal way to say hello to one person. Greeting two people. Tēnā kōrua. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe. Tēnā kōrua is the formal way to say hello to two people. Greeting three or more people. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koutou is a formal way to say hello to three or more people. Informal greeting. Kia ora. Kia ora is an informal way to say hello. Don't forget to use kōrua or koutou if you are greeting more than one person. Tēnā koe e oa. Tēnā koe e oa. Saying hello to a friend. Greeting a person by their name. Tēnā koe e rauri. Tēnā koe e mere. Saying hello to a friend using their name. Greeting a large group of people. Tēnā koutou katoa. This is one way to greet a large group of people. Greeting a large group of people including yourself. Tēnā tātou katoa is greeting a group of people while also acknowledging yourself. Let's recap. Tēnā koe, tēnā kōrua, tēnā koutou, kia ora, tēnā koe e oa, tēnā koe e mere. Tēnā koutou katoa, tēnā tātou katoa. My next presentation will look at saying farewell, goodbye in Te Reo Māori. Ka kite anō.